Sit. Lay down. Hands. Put the phone down now. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Put the phone down. Stand up, okay? Stand up. You're good. Stand up. I got you. Hey, you're good. You're good. All right. Stand up. I got you. You're gonna be okay. Stand up. I got you. I'm gonna detain you for right now, okay? Let me get every phone. I'm gonna set it on the ground so we don't break it. All right?
I didn't run from you. I didn't run from you.
Are you okay? It's fine. These come off just as easy, all right? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Sorry, now we got two detained, car secure.
Can you put him in my pocket?
Two detained, 1534.
Is there anything in fact we need to know about?
No, nothing.
All right.
Here, you can check.
You're okay, all right?
Be a temp tag. Charles.
Who's in the car with you?
Dad.
It's your dad? Okay. Do you know why he took off running? You know why he took off running?
No.
You got it. I can't breathe. I'm fucking off.
All right, he's gonna be okay too. Don't worry about it, all right?
Me and I can't breathe.
You're okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
Stop pulling away from me. Stop moving. Stop.
Wow.
Stop.
Where's the sergeant?
Stop.
Get off of me, dude.
I'm
Stop.
gonna pull your mask up, okay?
6360 advice you need.
You're okay? You're not hurt at all?
No.
In the ambulance training?
I'm scared.
Everything's gonna be good. Don't worry about it, all right?
For units out on James L, we're going to take the patch off and interrupt one in Metro East. The detail will be on
Can I call my mom?
Yep, we'll let you make some phone calls in just a little bit, okay? He's okay. He's okay.
Are you in here?
He's all right.
Why the fuck do y'all got my handcuffs?
Here, do me a favor. Let's go over to this side of the car, okay? You're good. You're good. You're good. It's all right. Where's your mom at?
She's at home.
Okay. All right.
Why y'all got my